WHO declares global virus emergency as death toll hits 213. What's going on, guys? Make Electric. It is Friday, the 31st of January, 2020. Here we are at the end of the first month. I got all kinds of coronavirus update stuff to give you here. It has finally happened. January 30, 2020, the World Health Organization declared a global emergency over new coronavirus. China reported Friday death toll climbed to 213 with nearly 10,000 infections. It seems to me this should have been done days ago. I got all kinds of stuff to give you here. Travel.gov, we got a China travel advisory, level 4, do not travel. Put a link to that. Here is the map that everybody's using. You know, I've had some conflicting information with this map. I don't know that it's always up to date. But it says 9,776 as I'm shooting this video, 213 dead, 187 recovered. And it looks like, this. I mean, you see all the red dots. Those are confirmed cases. Several in the United States, 1 or 2 in Canada. Europe, I just saw something about the UK. I don't have a link on that, but the thing's spreading. So there's the map as it stands right now. Now it's being reported by the South China Morning Post that the coronavirus and Hong Kong medical experts, they are saying there's possibly 44,000 cases in Wuhan. I don't know. I'm not on the ground in China. I can only give you what I'm finding. I'm just saving links and giving them to you. Who knows what's really going on. China coronavirus spreads before symptoms show, so it's possible there's millions of people infected, so who knows. That from BBC. From the Mirror, we got expert warns coronavirus spread through the eyes as killer disease shuts down China. I don't know. Take it with a grain of salt. It is what it is. DailyMail.com. More boots on the ground in Wuhan. Mask-wearing soldiers roll into lockdown city. 44,000 hazmat suits. It's part of a huge operation. Of course, they're building the hospital there and everything. Daily Mail's got some good video on that. Meanwhile, back in the United States, New York braces for coronavirus. It's inevitable. That's what the New York Times is reporting. I'll put a link to that. CNBC puts White House tells airlines it may suspend all China-U.S. flights amid coronavirus outbreak. Well, again, it seems to me that should have happened days ago. Don't you think? Now, when did that come out? January 28. Now, on January 30, we got this. Pilots Union sues American Airlines to stop flights to China amid coronavirus. So the pilots are concerned. You think maybe the White House would be a little more concerned? Or maybe they're just wanting this thing to spread. Coronavirus vaccine will take over a year to develop, warns Big Pharma executive. Oh, come on now. How can that be true? Did you see what happened now? Coronavirus. Bill Gates, Apple, give millions to fight outbreak. Of course, Bill Gates, you're my hero. Thank you for coming to the rescue. QAnon supporters and anti-vaxxers are spreading a hoax that Bill Gates created the coronavirus. I'll put a link to this from BuzzFeed News. Hoax, huh? You know who did a really good piece on Bill Gates? RT. It's a shame we have to go to foreign media sources in order to find the truth. Check this out. I will put a link to this video. You must see this woman's report. It starts at 54 seconds. This video goes on to talk about 5G and other things, but just the first couple minutes is what you need to hear about who Bill Gates is and his contributions to the vaccine community. Put a link to it. BBC News, coronavirus, tales of solidarity. Now, this brought me to tears, literally. I was sitting here the other night watching these videos. People are shouting from buildings in Wuhan. My heart goes out to these people. I will put a link to BBC. I will also put a link to the video that I watched. It's only 1:14, but I swear to you, pull it up and check it out and look at what's going on in a city of millions of people. People trying to keep their spirits up. And my heart is with them. I hope this thing doesn't get any worse, but I see over here South China Morning Post has got a live stream going, live coronavirus, so you might want to check that out as well. That's all I got. You know, I'll try to do another Jericho report this week. I just wanted to throw this up. If you want to support my work, you can support me on Patreon or PayPal or follow me. Twitter, Facebook, Gab. All my links are always at the bottom of my videos. If you want updated information, I can't always make videos, but I will always send out links. If I feel that there's breaking news you need to know about, I will definitely send them out. Tell me what you think, guys. Is this thing spreading around the world? Travel advisory in effect? 44,000 people affected in Wuhan? I don't know. You tell me. Until the next one, you guys take care, stay safe. I will see you on the next one.